Wind turbine. Wind turbine is a device that converts kinetic energy of the wind into electric power. The wind energy is created when the atmosphere is heated unevenly by the sun. Some patches of air become warmer than others. These warm patches of air rise, other air rushes in to replace them, thus wind blows. It works opposite of fan turbine blades spin from the wind and make energy instead of using energy to make wind. The first windmill used to produce electric energy was created in 1888 by Charles F. Bridge. The wind power program in India was started during 1983-84 with the effort of Ministry of Non-Conventional Energies. Component of wind turbine: blade, rotor, this is tower, and main bearing, gearbox, brake. Function of component: foundation. Foundation gives support to wind turbine. It consists of solid concrete assembly. Tower, it connects rotor and foundation and raise rotor so that it can operate at required wind. Made up of steel having tube-like structure. Rotor and rotor blades, it is rotating part which convert wind energy to rotation, and it is made up of glass fiber, carbon fiber, reinforced plastic. Nacelle contains the key component of the wind turbine including gearbox, gear system and electric unit. Low speed shaft connected the rotor hub to the gearbox. High speed shaft drives the electric generator by rotating high speed. Gearbox. Gearbox converts the rotor motion of lower RPM into the higher RPM. Coupling is done between the main shaft and the transmission. Generator generates electricity from rotation of shaft. Controller, it is self-operating system used to control system. It may be sensor, mechanical, electrical device, decision element, relay, microprocessor and actuators, hydraulic, electric. Yaw mechanism turns the nacelle with the rotor into the wind using motors. Anemometer and wind waves measure the speed and the direction of the wind while sending signals to the controller to start or stop the. This is working, and this is the speed when wind flows. These are the blades, shaft, blades move, then shaft rotate, then this is generator, generate electricity. This is pole, yaw control, wind, aero turbine, and pitch control. This is controller, gearing, speed and torque, coupling, control signal, speed signal, then generator, and then this is to load, output power. Types of wind turbine. First, horizontal axis turbine. Horizontal axis machine has its blade rotating on an axis parallel to the ground. Single blade horizontal wind turbine, 2 blades horizontal wind turbine and 3 blades horizontal wind turbine. This is single blade, lower blade weight and less cost, more vibration and unconventional look, similar to single blade, and stability problem. And this is balance, generally used 3 blade. Now vertical axis. This is vertical axis. Axis is vertical. There is wind turbine. Good efficiency, produce large torque and cyclic stress on the tower requires some external power source to start turning. Savonius wind turbine, drag type turbine, used in cases of high reliability in many things such as ventilation and anemometers, self-starting and less efficiency. Size of wind turbine: small size less than 10 kW, intermediate 10 to 250 kW, and large 250 to 2 MW. This is used for homes, farms, and remote application. Intermediate use village, hybrid system, and distributed power, and for the large central station wind farm and distributed power. The performance of wind turbine depends on 5 major factors. First is wind power, second obstructions, third altitude, and fourth is air temperature, and five is blade aerodynamics.